to my channel, we just found baby birds ever.
We were coming to remove the bird nest from the under the porch.
And
We got these snakes.
The snakes to did the bird
And I
play,
went to
so
go.
Mom wants to. So Dad said if Mom takes away the birds, then we will buy a hot dog. She really
Okay,
wants
well,
a hot
yeah,
dog.
I did. So
But now we found baby birds.
I went up this ladder to go get the bird's nest.
And now there's baby birds.
Let me turn this around.
There's I think that
I don't know
one's
how to
Daddy.
turn it around.
I think that one's Daddy.
But don't touch them. I pulled this nest down and there's baby birds.
Can I touch my
Oh, don't
nest?
touch them. So I think instead of throwing away their nest, we're just gonna put it back up. Do you want to film me putting it up? Or well, I'll just put it up.
No, how?
Because we don't want them to get hurt, so we'll put them back. And then once they get bigger and they fly away, then we can remove the nests. How about that?
But we don't know.
How many birds are there?
There's
Touch them.
the daddy bird. So it's,
No, these are all babies. There's 4 babies.
but why is this one the
They're
biggest?
so tiny.
Wait, can I see them sleeping?
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go put them back because they're birds. They're mama birds. Look at that. Leave my babies alone. So I'm gonna go put it back up. Okay.
And one for Dad.
Now you can just say thanks for watching.
So he's going to pet the baby birds when Mom comes home. I'm going to say.
All right, here you can. You gotta stand here so you can see yourself. There you go. Okay. Try to put them back.
Wait, so here first.
Here's Saul. I'm gonna try to put it back without it dropping.
We don't know how this will work, so we're going to try. There's my dad. Dad, you're breaking some crumbs.
Alright, I think it's gonna stay. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching.